Back again, and I'm here with Zach.
Hiya.
It's massively hot, so you'll probably see us sweating
Quite a bit.
profusely in this video. I read something online that said, because we're having problems with it cutting out round corners. I know you're admiring my sunglasses right now. That's what I can see you're saying. Where did you get those bad boys? We were having problems with it cutting out when I went round corners. I think if I corner harder than Zach does, and it used to cut out. I thought it was a fueling issue, but someone mentioned that it might well be the oil sensor on it. So yeah, we did that. So we've unplugged the sensor there. So we're going to give it a quick...
Sorry.
Bless you.
Thank you.
We're going to give it a quick test and see. Oh yeah, look. Everyone will be well happy. We have helmets.
We got the helmets so that we're safer and safety first.
So helmets sorted, chain guard on its way. Soon we'll be. Soon we'll be like.
Safety first, but the first couple of episodes when we managed to get this rolling, we pushed me down the hill.
Shh. Let's not mention those. Yeah, I suppose let's give it a test. It's agonisingly hot. But I would love to see...
Even in the shade.
Even in the shade, it's ridiculous. But I would like to try and see this, if it doesn't cut out, be timed. Have you got your phone or a timing device? Wicked. Because I want to see if we can beat our incredibly slow time round the block of 3 minutes 15.
Yeah, 3 minutes 15.
But that did require me to restart this 4 times.
Yeah,
so I can tell you, I'm really looking forward to putting my helmet on in this. But... because I'm leading by example, I will sweat for you guys. So let's get this started. Well, yeah, but you know, you expect that from me. Sorted! Wait, let me get this. Let me get this helmet off. I'm a bit stuck in it.
Need help.
Oh, nice beard now. So how did I do?
Your time was 1 minute 29 seconds. Point 93.
Wait, let me get a shot of that. I can't even see it.
No, we
it's
turned
the
off.
Screen.
Yeah, no, it's on.
It's on. It's just dimmed itself. Oh, there we go. So 1:29.93. That means that's our time to beat now. That's.
We have to get to one. You're almost at 1:28.
I reckon I can get it quicker, but it was my first lap, so I was trying to take it. And there are some bits where my bum just smacks off the floor really hard.
Oh, yeah, because obviously it isn't properly plugged in, is it?
No, it is. It's very low.
Oh, okay.
So I smashed my bum off the floor many times.
Now you've got like broken glutes.
A broken arse bone. But yeah, it's guess what? It worked.
Yeah!
It worked. That trick that they said 100% worked.
Thank you, the people who said that.
Yeah, I found it online. It was a Facebook group actually. So
Were you in it?
Well, of course I'm in the Facebook group. That's how I read it. But massive thanks to them. So if you're having an issue with things cutting out, it's because I corner quite hard. So when
we both do.
When I drive around the corners, I think I weigh more as well. So the force going around the corners pushes more.
So like since you lean, kind of.
Yeah.
Like when you turn,
Just more weight. So more weight going in the corner forces the oil to swoosh to one side. The levels are fine. It's got plenty of oil in there. But if it sloshes up one side too far, that sensor thinks that there's not enough oil in there, so it chucks. It tells it to shut off. It cuts it off, because if you see there, it's attached to the cut-off switch there, which is that little yellow switch. So all it does is it uses that as the signal to basically say cut off the engine.
Stop it.
Yeah, don't go any further. Well, you can. I suppose you can borrow my helmet, but do you want to
run down and get mine?
Well, it doesn't matter. This one's slightly bigger, but it should fit you.
I've got more or less the same head size.
No, it's a bit smaller, but that one should fit on your head. It might be a bit sweaty now, I'm not going to lie. Say perfect. Do you want some glasses to go with it?
Yeah.
Mainly, let me just clean these. They're very dirty. Ready, Zach? Look at that. It's a thumbnail if I've ever seen one. I'm going to attempt to create thumbnail Zach. Let me get your thumbs up. This is thumbnail creation right here, people. You've seen it here. Sorted. Right, let's give you a little run. Be careful.
I ain't trying to bring you down, but for real, you might as well give up now. Think you got a chance, but I don't see how. Got a real tight grip when I hold that crown. My life been good and bad and all around. The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So, how you want it, man, you can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room. Like fire, everything I touch, I consume. I'm getting up while y'all just snooze. While you make breakfast, man, I'm on the move. I'm the first one in and the last one out. Whoever owns the place gotta drag me out. In me I trust, yeah, I smell like success, this Elon Musk, huh? Everybody wanna be like us, we don't stop, cause the top just ain't enough, huh? I ain't never gay, no fucks, I ain't scamming, you know black men don't blush, huh? Came here ready to fight on this night, you better just run for your life.
So we fixed mainly fixed the cutting out on that. It still won't run properly if we have the choke fully off, because it needs more fuel. We need a bigger jet in there. So we do have it's a GX 390 bored out carb arriving soon to go on that. So once that's on, hopefully the fueling on that will be better. And at the same time, I think what I'll do is I'll remove the governor and try it. I'm going to take this off and replace it with an under between your legs, whatever, a remote fuel tank. So we've finally managed to get a good time.
Yeah.
A good run. Didn't cut out, and we fixed it. So now we just need to make it faster. For me.
But what about me?
Well, you don't know how slow or fast yours is yet. You'll know soon, because when we do a run.
We just need the chain guard, really.
We need the chain guard, but also...
grub screws.
Yeah, that's about it. Chain guard and grub screws.
We need a new exhaust.
No, we don't. Like, you just want one. You just want one.
I do want one.
You're
I want
not-
it to be faster.
To be fair, I reckon this is going to go some. But what we're going to, like I mentioned before, we're going to... someone suggested moving the engine back, so I have now ordered a chain splitter for the 219 chain. I've also ordered, the chain guard and... That's about it, chain guard. Grub screws, they should be here in the next few days to stop this, obviously, sliding back and forth. So then that one will be ready to take on this one. And then we can see... Firstly, we'll obviously do a clean run in that.
Then we're going to get a new exhaust.
No, we'll do a clean run in that, and then we'll see... We should do some drag races, on that strip that we were just on up there.
Yeah, stuff like that.
But, yeah, so we can line up head-to-head these two, see which one wins. I think yours will pick up quicker because
It's got a small, it's lighter.
it's lighter, you weigh less, and the clutch engages on this later. So by the time it's got up to speed, lifting my weight, my heavy mass, then this one I reckon will be away. And it's only a short distance we're going to drag it, so I think you might have it, but we'll see. We'll wait and see. Anyway, we just wanted to pop down this afternoon, fix up the issue that I saw online. I thought I can't not, yeah, but I'm glad that actually now runs and it doesn't cut out, because that's one thing that's been driving us nuts, hasn't it? Every time we try and do a little run on it, it cuts out. So now we've sorted that, we can finish this one and rejoice. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell so that you can be notified when we next post a video on a car, a go-kart, or
Anything that you want.
okay, that's getting uncomfortably close to my face.
Peace out.